Today, we're going to talk about division. We've already learned about multiplication. In multiplication, we join equal groups of things together. In division, we separate things into equal groups. We say that division is the opposite of multiplication. So if you can multiply, you can divide. This is a division problem. In this example, we are going to divide popsicles. We have 10 popsicles and 5 hungry people. We need to figure out how many popsicles each person will get. Every division problem has two parts. The number we are dividing is called the dividend, and the number we are dividing by is called the divisor. Our 10 popsicles are called the dividend. We will divide the 10 popsicles into equal groups. There are 5 hungry people. The people are the divisor. They tell us how many equal groups of popsicles we need. So, how many popsicles does each person get? Let's divide the popsicles. Now that they are all divided, we can see that each person gets 2 popsicles. When we divide the popsicles, all of the groups are equal. Each person gets the same number of popsicles. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Let's look at another way to do division. Let's pretend the dividend is 12 popsicles. They will be separated into equal groups by dividing. Next, we add the sign for division. It is a line with 2 dots. Our popsicles need to be divided by 3 people. The people are the divisor. They tell us how many equal groups of popsicles we need. Next, we add the equal sign. We are going to use a bar model to help us solve this problem. First, we draw the bar. Next, we label the bar. We label the bar with 12 because we are dividing 12 popsicles. The popsicles are divided by 3 people, so we divide our bar into 3 equal parts. Now we have 3 equal parts of our bar, 1 part for each person. Now we solve our problem. Let's think about what multiplication problem could help us solve this problem. Can we multiply 3 times a number and get 12? Let's try. 3 times a number equals 12. Do you know what number we need? We need the number 4 because 4 times 3 equals 12. I know I should put 4 in each part of my bar. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. I know I'm right because 3 times 4 equals 12. The 12 popsicles are divided equally among 3 people. Each person gets 4 popsicles. Today, we talked about division. We use division to separate a number of things into equal groups. A division problem has 2 parts, the dividend and the divisor. The dividend is the number we want to divide into equal groups. The divisor tells us the number of groups we need. These are my tips for helping you remember division. See you soon.